Nicholas, that doesn't go in your mouth. That goes in Riley's mouth. That goes in Riley's mouth. Good boy. Give Riley the toy. No, Nicholas, that goes in Riley's mouth, not your mouth. Good. Give it to Riley. Give it to Riley. No. Give it to Riley. I know you love it. Give it to Riley. Good boy.